But hello, welcome back to Wheel Talk. where the flip have we been, Si? What's been going on?
I think we've just been
as Si's mini
busy.
pulls out from Sainsbury's.
Bitch, get out of my car.
You're not leaving.
Those are horrible sunglasses, FYI.
What were they?
I don't know, they just look horrible and they look like bug eyes.
And I've almost rear-ended a Jeep. But we are back. We're back for good, as the song goes. Insert clip. No, I won't. We're not going to start doing insert things. We've left that in old Wheel Talk. This is
new Wheel Talk. We're more grown up.
This is Wheel Talk Season 2, as Fortnite goes. But we missed the whole Fortnite trend as well.
Yeah, we have. Good.
I think all the clickbait we could have had.
We could have had a lot of clickbait actually, but I'm not actually that bothered.
Yeah, we're not part of that love stuff.
Fucking uninstalled that shit.
Yeah.
Anyway.
That's a revelation. On camera, we'll discuss that. But we are back. I feel we're back for good. Now it's the old summer holidays.
Yeah.
We don't want to date ourselves, but it's late June. We've got many months to make content and dick about, really.
Indeed.
But we've been sort of doing exams and...
Well, let's go through the reasons. Well, I mean, like, you deserve to know. Our faithful following.
Yeah, which has increased whilst we've been gone.
Yeah.
Somehow. So, welcome on, you viewers. We hope you have enjoyed our content so far.
Please don't leave. So, it all sort of started when, well, I've got 2 new jobs.
We're from 0 to 2. Right?
0 to 2.
Not 0 to 100, sadly.
And then we've sort of all had exams at like various periods.
I've had a dissertation due as well,
dissertation boy.
Finished off my degree, so now I'm a qualified wheel talker. So.
I'm still on training wheels.
Yeah, we are both dicking around.
Still dicking around.
Yeah.
Some people went on holiday. Don't know who would do that.
No. Poor commitment, some would say.
Indeed. It just sort of. We would always try and find time. We'd plan. Something would come up, or work would come up. Yeah. And in those early stages of work, Sam's got a new job as well.
Yeah, he's working with me now. Bless him.
He is.
Poor
in those early stages, you don't want to fuck up.
No.
So
we're all living together next year. We kind of need that cash.
Yeah.
That cold hard dough.
Yeah, that's very true.
We're doing a lot of hours. Just to inform you, the Jeep in front is still indicating.
It's a Land Rover.
Yeah, Jeep. Oh, wait, yeah.
It's a Defender.
Shit, cut that.
It's a Defender pickup.
It's nice though. I would have that. Oh, that's a nice M4.
Oh, that's a nice M4. Yeah, very nice M4. I think you're saying Jeep because we saw Jeep earlier on. Anyway, that's sort of it really, I think, for this sort of update video. We just wanted to let you know we're not dead. I did record a much sadder version of this in my room. And it was like just crying, like it wasn't good. Yeah. So decided not to update that. Upload that even.
Like the main points are we are back now.
Yeah.
We're going to have our news videos back. We're doing another challenge soon. Oh, that's in the works.
So excited for that one.
We've got Alex, our cameraman / friend. He's helping us out in this one, and Matt.
He doesn't call us his friends. We're just some kids who like occasionally call him and be like, "You want to come film for us?"
You do 5 hours of free work for us, please. Yes, we'll pay you.
KFC. Yeah.
Just things are in the works. Things are in the works.
We are also going to carry on with the fast car series because, like, obviously we've got so much light now. We are going to try and just cram everything into like these short filmings. We can film like 10 videos a day now. Now it's June. For reference, it's 6 o'clock now. And I remember one of our podcasts literally in the dark. So at this time.
Yeah, if not at like 4 or something like that.
Yeah.
But. Yeah.
Right, yeah.
Make sure you stay subscribed, stay hitting that notification bell, stay liking our videos. Again, we have Wheel Talk IG page, wheel.talk.
Yep.
Facebook page now.
Yep.
Like it.
Yep.
I think I have.
I think that's enough plugging.
Yeah. And
you get it. You get it. Everything's below or in our about thing.
Yeah.
Welcome back to us.
We'll see you soon.
Bye.
Toodaloo.